a most Jamaican botheration. Me no want a botheration, you know. Me no want a. We're talking about trouble. Chiffon. You remember our favorite butter? One of our favorite butter, chiffon butter. Yes, you buy the bread and the bread hot, and you buy one in a chiffon, and you take the chiffon butter, you open the bread and you put. You remember that chiffon butter? Jackass card. You remember the tough sitting there? Lord, it broke out your teeth. It tough. But we did love it. Best butter. Yes, that was one of our butter. The best butter. Betty milk. Me no want a black tea. No can a black tea come give me. Put some Betty milk in it. Me no want a black tea. Yes. Betty milk. And then you have Nestle milk. And then you have Gloria milk that you put in your coffee. Yes. Coffee. Or the cow's milk. And you, yes, Jamaican milk. Then you have thinking toe. Me no mean say somebody toe smell bad, you know. It's not a fruit, but a something where people eat. Pick it off of the tree and they eat in a hard shell. And then break it and then broke it and then eat it. When they eat it, all of their mouth dirty up. And then called thinking toe. What's that? Flitters. We know we flitters. We know flitters. They call it flitters, they call it fried fish. Yes, the fried fritters. Yes, our flitters. Buster, that make out a coconut trash. They used to make it. It's some form of call it candy. Buster. Blue drawers. Yes, it's something Jamaican love. Blue drawers and make it up with cornmeal. Yes, make up the cornmeal, mix it up with whatever you put in it, and then you have to make sure you have banana leaf. But with me not banana leaf, we make it same way. Me use the foil. Yes, me use it. I make blue drawers. Yes. Chimney. Jamaican talk about chimney. Yes. Other people call it chamber pot. Yes. Jamaicans say chimney. Take out the chimney. You wash the chimney. Take out the chimney under the bed. Go take out. Yeah, then keep it under the bed. Chimney. Then you have pickle salt. It's I think it's a hard salt. Yes, that they can use season of other things. They call pickle salt. It's salt like all the salt mackerel. That's the salt they use. So it's like it cure the mackerel. It's a pickle salt. I guess anything you chop on it's cure. Then you have mule. You ever hear mule? You tie out the mule yet? You're talking about horse. Other people say horse. Jamaican call it mule. They talk about ram goat. What kind of goat them a butcher today? I must say ram goat. Yes, they're talking about the male goat. Yes, Jamaican. And then they're talking about the bull. They say bull. Jamaican use the word bull. They're talking about the male cow. Yes, they say bull. Dutch pot. Everybody know about that the iron pot. When that they cover drop. Oh Jesus, the whole neighborhood wake up. It's scandalous. Dutch pot. Yes, Dutch pot. Me I got mango walk. Mango walk. Where's mango walk? Yes, that's where they get the mangoes. You go pick mango, black mango, beefy. Number 11. Yes, you got mango walk and you see them a come with the basket on the head full of mango, and then although they have the basket on the head full of mango, then they have a mango seed in their mouth. Yes, and the mango on their head. Beg you two mango now? Yes, mango walk. Then go look mango. Then they have pig sty. Jamaicans say pig sty. Where they keep the pig. Jamaicans say hog. That's not pig, hog. but then you also use pigsty. But it is where the hog is, or in the house, where they tie out the pig. Although you clean it out, they tend to keep it messy. So Jamaicans say, "Lad, it look like hog style." So picnic, talking about a child. Tumble down. Me nearly tumble down. Me nearly tumble down. They're talking about fall down or fell down. Yes, something down. Jamaicans say in tumble down. Mm-hmm. We no run things around me, Mm-mm. We run things. Yes, things no run we. We run things. Yes, we have it in control. Yes, we have it under control, man. Yes. They have another way. They say, "You nah rule me." Mm-hmm. And me run things. Yes, Jamaicans say, "Things no run me. No run we run things." If you find them little catchphrases informative or little Jamaican slang, most Jamaican, if you find them informative, like, share, and subscribe. You're most Jamaican. Thanks for watching.